Hello students, in this video I'll explain poem 4, that is pollution, and this is composed by Sanchit Saluja. So children, this poem is not only important for you for examination point of view, rather it is important because you are the resident of this earth. आप इस earth पे रहते हो तो this poem is very important क्योंकि pollution is growing day by day and it is very important to understand the harmful effects of pollution, how it is harming ourselves, how it is harming our lifestyle as well as harming the mother earth. So children, you must know that pollution is a matter of grave concern for the people of the earth. Of course it is a matter of great concern क्योंकि pollution बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है and it will definitely harm us and it is actually harming us. What do you think are the harmful effects of pollution? Children, definitely there are so many harmful effects of pollution. Pollution is affecting our health, it is affecting our lifestyle, our daily routine. There are several diseases that are caused due to pollution, several respiratory problems, breathing problems, skin problems. बहुत सारे ऐसे problems हैं जो pollution से हो रहे हैं हमें. So before I continue this poem, let me just tell you about the poet, that is Sanchit Saluja. So Sanchit Saluja is a budding poet who likes to express his thoughts and ideas through simple and interesting rhymes. So Sanchit Saluja is a budding poet. Budding poet means emerging poet. अभी उसने start किया है. He is emerging. He is writing more and more poems. So he likes to express his thoughts and ideas through simple and interesting rhymes. उसकी जो language है, the way of saying, वो बहुत simple है and interesting है. He expresses his thoughts and ideas in a very simple language. So in this poem, the poet warns about the increasing harmful effects of pollution and emphasizes on the necessity of being aware about pollution. So इस poem में the poet is emphasizing the effects of pollution, the harmful effects. ये हमें बता रहा है, हमें warn कर रहा है the effects of pollution, and it is emphasizing on the necessity to be aware about pollution. और ये एक necessity, it is very important for us to be aware regarding pollution, कि किस तरह से वो हमें harm कर रहा है and what are the steps that needs to be taken in order to cut down pollution, because one day everything will be finished, everything will be destroyed because it is causing a slow destruction. और ये इतनी बुरी तरह से अर्थ को डैमेज कर रहा है that one day the earth will definitely going to destroy or end. So let's start with the poem. The poem is basically of 4 stanzas. Children, when we read a story, we call it as paragraphs. और अगर हम लोग poem पढ़ते हैं तो those paragraphs are called as stanzas. So let's begin with the poem. It's a very interesting poem as well as important poem. Earthlings, wake up and take charge. I speak not to one alone, but to the world at large. So the first stanza is telling earthlings. Earthling means the people on the earth. जितने भी लोग रह रहे हैं अर्थ पे, उनको earthlings कहा जा रहा है. तो earthlings, wake up and take charge. Take charge means take the responsibility. Take the responsibility of what? I speak not to one alone but to the world at large. So the poet is saying that I am not speaking to one person. मैं किसी एक particular individual से बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but I am talking to the entire world, because this problem is not a particular problem or individual problem. This is a problem of the whole world, and all the citizens, all the residents of earth should take charge, should take responsibility to see that what they can do, how they can help to protect our nature. The scorching heat of the sun is rather difficult to bear. It's all because of pollution that dear ozone layer has a tear. So the scorching heat of the sun, scorching means जो बहुत गर्म heat होती है, बहुत गर्मी, जब हमें बहुत ज़्यादा लू चलती है, बहुत कड़ी धूप होती है, that refers to scorching heat, is rather difficult to bear. Bear means to tolerate. जब बहुत कड़ी धूप होती है, it is very difficult for us to bear. हम लोग टॉलरेट नहीं कर पाते हैं, हमारे स्किन बर्न होती है और भी बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, हीट स्ट्रोक, सन स्ट्रोक जैसे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, हम लोग को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करना पड़ता है. इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ पोल्यूशन. तो ये इतना स्कॉर्चिंग हीट क्यों है, इतना ये डिफिकल्ट क्यों हो रहा है हम लोग को बेयर करने के लिए? इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ पोल्यूशन. बिकॉज दैट डियर ओजोन लेयर हैज़ अ टीयर। ये इसलिए है क्योंकि जो ओजोन लेयर है जो हमारे अर्थ को प्रोटेक्ट करता है उसमें एक टीयर आ गया है। मीन्स वो उसमें एक टीयर मीन्स वो फट रहा है, दैट कैन बी कॉल्ड कि वो फट रहा है, वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ पॉल्यूशन। पॉल्यूशन ओजोन लेयर को बहुत बुरी तरह से हार्म कर रहा है। इट इज हार्मिंग द ओजोन लेयर at a very rapid scale. Now, poisonous gases are emitted, and here you cut the trees. If we don't stop this, we shall not breathe with ease. So, poisonous gas are emitting. Emitting means nikalna, gas nikalna. See, it is written here. Emitting means burn. Emitting means produced. Day by day, children, in order to grow, in order to develop ourselves, in order to build ourselves, we are building, we are making so many factories, और उस factories में से बहुत सारे पॉइजनस गैस निकल रहे हैं. द वेरियस पॉइजनस गैसेस आर इमिटिंग एंड दोज पॉइजनस गैसेस दे आर हार्मिंग द नेचर एंड वी आर कटिंग सो मेनी ट्रीज, वी आर डूइंग डिफॉरेस्टेशन, और जिस वजह से हमारा अर्थ बिल्कुल बैरन हो रहा है. और अगर हम लोग ये जल्दी से स्टॉप नहीं करेंगे देन वी शैल नॉट ब्रीथ विथ ईज. मतलब हम लोग ईजिली ब्रीथ नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम लोग को ब्रीथ करने में प्रॉब्लम होगी, हम लोग प्रॉपरली ब्रीथ नहीं कर पाएंगे. वी विल फेस डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ रिस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम्स. तो एंड वी आर कटिंग ट्रीज एट अ लार्ज स्केल. और ये हमें जल्द से जल्द स्टॉप करना पड़ेगा, और एल्स वी विल बी एट डेंजर. So stop this destruction and start the repair. Let's make the earth green and not desolate and bare. So the poet is urging, the poet is requesting that it is the need of the hour. ये अब हमें ये करना ही होगा, अब हमें ये सब डिस्ट्रक्शन को रोकना होगा, and we should start repairing. And this is not the responsibility of one single person, rather it is the responsibility of the whole earth to protect our home. Earth is our home, our land, we live, we reside here. So it is our responsibility, our duty to protect the earth and stop this destruction. In order to stop this destruction, what we can do? We can plant more and more trees. हम लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा trees plant कर सकते हैं, and this will definitely help the earth. And इस तरह से trees plant करने से, earth को green करने से, by making the earth green, by planting more and more trees and plants, हम लोग earth को रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, वो हील करना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. इट विल स्टार्ट हीलिंग एंड नॉट डिजोलेट एंड बेयर. डिजोलेट मीन्स एम्प्टी, खाली, वो अर्थ खाली नहीं होगा. डिजोलेट मीन्स बैरन, एम्प्टी. तो इस तरह से अगर हम लोग अर्थ को ग्रीन बनाएंगे तो अर्थ को ग्रीन बनाएंगे तो अर्थ एम्प्टी नहीं होगा, एंड इट विल नॉट बी एम्प्टी ऑफ ट्रीज. अब बहुत सारे ट्रीज होंगे, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ विच डेफिनेटली पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स विल बी देयर. So this is, the poet is urging us, the poet is requesting us to save the earth, because this pollution, this is very harmful for us, for everybody, for the human beings, for the animals, for the nature, everybody. And this is harming the planet, this is harming our green planet, green watery planet at a very rapid scale. So it is high time that we should stand and we should move towards, we should head towards the protection of this earth by planting more and more trees. I hope that the chapter is clear to everybody. The chapter was very simple, and the only idea behind this chapter was to protect our mother earth. किस तरह से हम अपने mother earth को protect कर सकते हैं from pollution, क्योंकि अभी हर जगह pollution है, and this is causing damage, this is causing harm to our nature as well as the human beings. So this was the poem all about. Thank you.